Alright, here they are. These are custom made China wheels. They're all aluminum, monoblock, one piece, and then chromed. They came really well packaged. Took 3 or 4 months to get. They look like they're in great shape. We're getting them mounted right now, so we'll see how well they balance. And they have also aluminum billet, chrome hubcaps, and these match. The wheels and hubcaps match the stock factory hubcaps. So instead of having 15s now, I got 18s. Bo, what do you got? What are we doing? Hi. We are going to mount our Lincoln wheels today, Bo. And we got these guys, elevated mobile tire. Check out this sweet setup they got. All fits in a van, come right to your house, so we don't have to try to go anywhere and wait in lines. It costs a little bit more than going to Les Schwab or Discount, but honestly, not having to wait in a line, I think makes it worth it for me and my little dude. So yeah, we got our new tires in from our custom-made wheels. They're tires, and we're gonna try to install portawalls since I didn't want to wait for white walls, and we'll see how it turns out. And those are going to go on the SICK 4. We're going to replace, we have 3-inch white walls on stock Sealy's right now, so we're going to rechange those for these bad boys. Then we got Bo in the Lincoln Jungle Gym, trying to get ready for the wheels here. He loves all the buttons and switches in this one. This is better than a pack and play, actually. Lincoln 1, Boris 0. What are you doing, bro? Where are you going now? Ooh, we got a socket. Alright, here we go. First one's done. It looks awesome. If my boy was out of the way, you could see it. Come on, Bo. Look at that. Got portawalls on. It looks exactly like white walls. And this was the stock hubcap. Before, after. These are freaking awesome. Alright, we're all done. Check these babies out. Looks, you can't even tell these aren't actual white walls. Those portawalls look sick. $69 on Amazon or eBay, wherever I got them. And these wheels are awesome. I cannot wait to put these on, but unfortunately I don't have the right lug nuts to do today, so I gotta figure out what degree, I don't know if these are 30 degree or 60 degree, whatever those are, but I gotta figure out what those are so I can order some lugs and slap these babies on. It's gonna look sick. Today we're gonna show you guys one of our other project cars we haven't revealed yet. This is a 1964 Lincoln Continental, and I'm going to go through why this car is cool, what I've done to it, and then what we plan to do to it in the future. So, 1964 Lincoln, slab side, suicide car, whatever you want to call it. It's got suicide doors, which are super cool. A lot of people call these Kennedy cars because it's the style that JFK got shot in, I guess. But this is blue, which is kind of a rare color. All original paint in decent shape. It's dusty now, but it actually shines up pretty decent. Good enough where you wouldn't want to paint it, I don't think. White leather interior. It's all pretty stock except for a stereo system in it, and I got it lowered on a static drop with coils in the front and then 3-inch blocks in the back. So it has a pretty sweet stance right now. And I just put these wheels on today. If you guys saw my other videos, you've probably seen me talking about these wheels for a while, but I just got the wheels yesterday, the day before, and I had on-site tires come up to my house and pop them on, and we put portawalls on it, and now I have 18-inch wheels, solid aluminum wheels that look exactly like my hubcaps. So it looks kind of nostalgic, kind of period correct, but it's an 18-inch wheel, so it looks a lot cooler to me, and that's what I care about. So other than that, I rebuilt the front end, just bushings, control arms, ball joints, all that kind of stuff. Did a little bit of electrical work, rebuilt the window motors. Those are known to be bad in this, so I got the window motors rebuilt, just take them apart, put new grease in them, put it back together. And I think, what else did I do on the inside? I think I did door locks, maybe door lock switches, something like that. But this thing is a boat, and it drives super smooth. It purrs super quiet. It's like you're driving a Barca Lounger almost. It's awesome. You actually drive this to Super Cruise, which is like a muscle car cruise in Golden, quite a bit. And I drive it to hockey once in a while, since you can fit you don't have any problem fitting your hockey gear or anything else in this thing. The back trunk is humongous. You could actually fit two humans in this pretty easy. Right now I got it full of big subwoofers though. So I don't have a name for this car yet. So if you guys think of anything cool that we should call this project, let me know. Put it in the comments. I just haven't had anything come to me for this one yet. But future things to do on this, I gotta get the headliner fixed because that started falling down. I gotta get the air conditioning fixed. It worked for a little bit and stopped. And it's got some really weird connections on there, so I can't even hook up my gauges to it to test it. So I don't even know. I don't even know what to do with the air conditioning, like how to retrofit it so the newer style gauges fit on it, or if I should just put a vintage air kit in it. I would hope I could fix it cheaper than vintage air, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. But yeah, it's gonna do a little bit of upholstery in the back. The back package tray needs to be recovered, and then the headliner stuff you can kind of see back here. It's falling down. But that's about it. I was gonna do some new weather stripping probably too, but honestly most of the time I drive it when it's nice out with the windows down, so the weather stripping is really expensive. It's like $1,500 to get a weather stripping kit for this car, so I haven't gotten it yet, but probably sooner or later I'll put that in there. And that's it for major things that it needs, like right away is just AC and that headliner stuff, upholstery. But I might put an LS in it if I ever have problems with the motor. The problem right now is it just runs so good. It runs so quiet. Let's fire it up right now actually. Check out these wheels though. So clean. Those things are freaking cool, hey? I got a 1.5-inch whitewall on there. This car is super dirty right now because the kid's been playing in it a lot. Let me see if I can zoom out. I don't even know how to zoom out, but listen, this thing start up. I mean, it runs so, like, you just tap the key, boom, Let's just start it up. And it runs so good and quiet. I haven't started this car for at least 6 months before today, and it just runs great. So it's hard to swap the motor out, but I have a weird addiction to changing engines, I feel like, so we'll see what happens. I really want to keep this one stock, and hopefully I do, but you never know. But anyways, yeah, this car is sick. I get some different floor mats. These old style clear plastic ones. They're stupid looking. I had this center console custom made with some cup holders, and I know this radio sucks. We're gonna change the radio out and fix the wires up and stuff like that. But yeah, it's pretty awesome cruiser. One of my favorite cars we got for going for ice cream or going to dinner with the family, because obviously everybody can fit in this huge back seat, huge front seat. This folds up, so we have no problem. And we'll go over some of the cool features on this car too here. It's kind of incredible, the build quality on these things. It's like way ahead of their time. Engine wise, it has a 430 cubic inch engine. It's really jammed in there, so pretty standard, nothing too crazy. But look at how the hood opens. It's pretty cool, right? And then there's so much power, everything on this car, like power. I'll turn the battery back on. I shut the battery off so I can't show you it. I put these things on here so it doesn't drain the battery, because I don't drive it that much. But check this out. Even the works a lot better when it's running. Let's see if this one has power enough to do it. Yeah, I see that. Even the wing mirrors or wing windows, power. Obviously all the windows are power door locks, the mirror. What else is this? Antenna has power up and down. There's a map light in here. The engine has drive and low. So, I mean, there's two drives. Actually, you see that. Two drives in low. One for more power, and then one for just regular cruising. Everything's wrapped in leather. And then it's so quiet in here. Like everything, if you take apart anything, it's all wrapped, you know, with fabric or rubber or anything. So there's no vibration, no noise. It's really a crazy well-built car. It's insane. Like the difference, if you take stuff apart on this car compared to the Coronet or something else, like just a regular car, it's just night and day different. But yeah, really cool car, really fun. It catches a lot of attention too, because it looks like a gangster mobile. Man, look at how cool this thing looks. It's hard to get it even in pictures. It's so freaking huge. But here it is. Got the BoHa sticker on the back. Pretty soon me and Boris will be cruising this to Golden Super Cruise, maybe in a few days for the 4th of July one. So you see us, say hey. If you guys like this car, please subscribe. We'll do many more videos on it and cruising with it and stuff. And if you have any ideas for names for this car, please drop in the comments. Thanks for watching BoHa.